Hey guys, what are we up to today? Well, we're going to do some more milling. Let's see if we can make good usable lumber with a homemade sawmill like this. So I already have the cant made. I'm looking for like 6x6. No, I caught enough 6x6, but 2x6 and 1-inch board. So right now we have about an 8x8 cant. So we're going to take two 1-inch boards off of this side, and then we're going to, two boards off this side, and then we're going to start cutting some 2x6. So let's get her set up and see how she goes. All right, get cutting. Pretty good, pretty close to 2x6. Okay, next day, I'm back at it. Had some stuff I had to do still. Okay, so the last one was a bit bigger. We got 4 2x6, and I got 2 1x8 boards. This one here is about roughly 6.5 on the small end. So we're going to try to make it into a 6-inch cant to get some 2x6. So let's see what we can get out of it. This is just to see what we can get with this old homemade sawmill. A little bit. This one's the bottom one's thicker than 2-inch, so 2 1/4, but it don't matter. 6-inch, 6 1/8. Pretty good. Just rough lumber. Just keep adding to the pile. You can see now we're getting a pretty good slab. This is just like rough cut slab, but you can use it for like siding, whatever you want. Same thing with that. It's got a wane on it. You can use it for like a rough siding. Don't matter. Now I can show you. It doesn't take long, but it adds up pretty fast. Like, I think I cut 3 logs so far this morning, but we got some 1-inch board there. We got all our 6x6. We got some 2x6 now. 2x6, 2x6, 6x6. We'll be able to begin our structure in no time. Anyways, I think that's going to be it for this video. Just so, can you still make decent lumber out of a homemade sawmill? Yeah, I think you can. Depends on what you're trying to build. Like, if you take a look around, our structures are just structures. They're not. It's not a pristine house. It's not a whatever. It's just a structure. So, and this is my homemade sawmill. It works great. Looks rough, but it works amazing for what I do. What I do, this is perfect. You know, I'm trying this water tap here, but it's just a pulley system with a Princess Auto 13 horsepower that has no problem cutting through. This is my adjuster, my tightener for the blade or for the belt. This is my bolt winch, cranks up and down. I got my ruler here with my thing, cut whatever I want. This is my adjuster for the toe on the wheel, and this is my tightener. This just tightens the blade. And now it's tight. And that's it. It's on pulleys. The cable's hooked up to the winch. Goes down to this pulley, across, over to that pulley, and then up to the top where it's bolted off. And this is just a shaft out of a, I don't even know what it's out of, a whatever. This is out of a car. This is out of a GM Cavalier. So this is just an old Cavalier, bolted on here, welded on here. This was like another adjuster, but you never have to adjust this one once you get it right. Got this on a pillow block. It's like This is tubing that slides up and down. It's a little bit loose, but for what I do, it works. It works. Look at, chickens are out. We had a tree broke off the other day. Now the chickens are gonna go exploring, and it fell right on my apple trees. So I think I'm cursed with apple trees, guys. I don't know what it is, but anyway, enough ranting. Okay, guys, take care. Like and subscribe if you like this sort of content.